Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Welcome back, everybody. Look, it looks like the Moose is evolving. So I got the Nuvola shirt, got some swag necklace on, which I've been wearing. I just pop it out now because the Moose doesn't care. He's getting old. Got the watch and I got my jacket, man. So on a scale of 1 to a loose moose, how loose is the Moose? So if you guys do like this look, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, let me know, honestly. Be like, Moose, I don't know about this new look. But anyways, I've been walking around, going to Starbucks, and people are like, man, that guy, I don't know what he's up to, but he's got something going on. So guys, we're going to be talking about the Tangem wallet, specifically the stealth wallet. So if you guys have not picked one up already, I'm going to show you at the end of the video how you can pick one up. So of course, guys, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. What I do on this channel is, as I go through my own crypto investing journey, if that's what you want to call it, then I provide you guys with things that I've learned. So just trying to help you out and, just give you feedback, and authenticity is key. So we'll talk about that a little bit more later on as well. So here you got Tangem. And by the way, guys, Tangem, what they do is they create cold storage wallets. So similar to, I guess you would have a Trezor, you would have a Ledger. Let's see, we got a Trezor Safe 5, or this is an actual Ledger here, like a new one. What Tangem does is they create a hardware wallet, cold storage option, where you can write down a seed phrase, a mnemonic seed phrase that encrypts your wallet, and you load that up using a card. So the benefit of this is that this acts as an intermediary for signing transactions. So a lot of you, what you're doing is you're creating a hot wallet on your phone, or you're using an online exchange. If somebody hacks that software, they can sign transactions on your behalf. You lose your crypto. With a cold storage wallet, you have to physically tap it or approve a transaction. So it acts as an intermediary. Okay, so it acts as another layer of protection. So that's all I want to mention there. So let's talk about the stealth wallet. So this is basically the same thing as the other wallet that you would get. But the difference here is that it's a little more inconspicuous. So let's take a look here. 2 logo free cards plus 1 standard card for the pack. So when you are setting up this wallet, the Tangem wallet, it's very easy. You guys download the app and you follow the steps. In fact, if you guys head over to Crypto Moose, I've got some videos on that. So Tangem wallet setup, I think that's the name of the video. This is one of the better videos on the channel. Actually, it might be the best. So Tangem wallet setup. In that video, I show you step-by-step how to set up a wallet. And now, because of updates, because of software, you can update the hardware, basically, like make it more useful. You can now actually write down your recovery seed phrase. So guys, make sure to write down your words. If you ever lose your cards, you can go to another card, or ultimately you can go to your seed phrase. So I recommend doing that option if you can, because it's available now. Okay, so stealth wallet. Why would you want to get one? Well, basically you'd want to get one if you already don't have a wallet. If you already have a 2-card, 3-card set, like the Moose doesn't even have this. I'm not going to order this, but if you're someone that's never ordered a hardware wallet, and if you want to have more protection for your digital assets, specifically if you don't even have a hardware wallet, this is a good option. And we'll get into some of the reasons why here as well. So first off, it looks cool, and I like that it's inconspicuous. So nobody's going to know that, you're using a Tangem, right? So what's that one like meme or that one video, right? No one's going to know. No one's going to know. So if you have your wallet, for example, this fits in your wallet. You could probably put all 3 cards in your wallet if you wanted to. So it's very small. It works well with the cell phone, so you have that capability. But let's get into what they wrote here too. So again, 2 cards are going to just be black, which I like. I think it looks really cool. Let's get loose on that. So plus 1 standard card, 360 degree total in humidity. So sleek plastic design. So you guys can use code Moose, not code community. Guys, use code Moose. Come on, man. Help me out. So if you guys head over to the link tree, I've got links for everything that I talk about on the channel. Upcoming projects, guys, there's a new meme token. Guys, get into Sync AI, Tokyo Wallet. But again, Tokyo Wallet, you know, if you're holding a lot of ADA there, you may want to move some over to a Tangem. So guys, follow the link, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Get Tangem, and the link's already there for you. Code Moose. So go over here under Limited. So limited edition, it's probably going to be the thumbnail with Moose going like, whoa, like doing, you know, the traditional thing. So again, the Moose is trying to evolve. Looks like Tangem's evolving. By the way, like on a real note though, guys, I've been using hardware wallets for years now. Like, guys, I have a Trezor 1. Like, actually, this matches a suit. Maybe I should put on the necklace. No, I'm not going to do that. But honestly, I've used a lot of hardware wallets, and the Tangem's great. So Tangem sent me a wallet. I reviewed it, and I told them, hey, I'm going to give you my honest feedback. And I'm impressed. I recently just unboxed the One Key Classic 1S. Phenomenal wallet. But if you are using an app and if you want a credit card size cold storage option, guys, this is the best wallet. The fact that you can pick up this wallet, even the stealth version, for $62 is pretty sweet. If you have anything in it, like anything over $100 in crypto, if you feel like, oh, I'd never want to lose this, here's an option. And if you want to go the cheap route, $50 gets you the 2-card set. If you have the 2-card set and you write down your recovery seed phrase, you're all set. So guys, comment down below. Is this something that you're interested in? Like, what's going on there? So I'm also going to add in the Tangem Ring because they are still doing pre-orders. So I have to get my ring size done. What you guys can do is just use a piece of paper, put it around your finger, mark it, and then measure that piece of paper. So I think I did a video on that. This is the Tangem Ring. So I haven't talked about it too much. But guys, look at, you know, here's the one thing about Tangem. And I knew it right away, and I've been talking about it for a while. Their product videos, their marketing, everything looks so cool. So I do like doing videos talking about products. Yes, I do have an affiliate link. Yes, I do make a little bit off of it. But I do save you money, and I'm sharing you a product that I use every day. So this Tangem, Trezor, Ledgers, I use them all the time. Tangem I use the most now. So it's really cool. So again, shout out to the Tangem team. It's been incredible. Like, I think there's been 550 wallets, or people, 550 wallets have been sold through the Linktree. So that's remarkable within several months. So I think that's pretty sweet, and it's really cool because I know on the other end of this, and it's so easy to talk about, but you guys are protecting your assets, right? So I like knowing that everybody that is watching this channel, that has been continuously watching, you guys are getting value in your protecting your crypto. So like, I have friends where they've lost crypto, they've been hacked. They hold, I think it was like, I mean, I'm not even gonna name wallets because it wasn't that was the issue. It was more of a, you know, maybe they sent their seed away, but you guys have to protect your crypto, especially within 5 years from now. They're probably going to be worth a lot more. So anyways, back at it, 3 unique devices in one hardware wallet. So I believe when you get this, you're going to select your ring size, and then you're also going to get 2 backup cards. So it's not just the ring. So with the ring, you put it on, confirm transactions with your phone. So basically you can imagine the Moose is married to crypto. Boom, right? Signs a transaction, right? So that's one thing you can do there. So here you select your ring size. I don't even know what the Moose's ring size is here. I have no idea. So yeah, actually you save 10% off using code Moose. So guys, we're helping you out as much as we can. So guys, use the link tree and comment down below. Are you going to pick up a stealth wallet? Is it intriguing? Guys, ask whatever questions you want. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.